Welcome, viewer. Kofi hopes your day went well and your ability to solve problems increases tenfold. Kofi came across a problem with the outlet unexpectedly while monitoring electromagnetic interference, that is, line noise, or, the narrator dares to use the marketing term, dirty electricity. The reading at this point is in the mid-400s. It was in the 50s when first plugged in, and the voltage was about 108. The voltage should be close to 120 and electromagnetic interference below 50. The second outlet measures in the high 90s. Kofi was measuring electromagnetic interference in a quest to figure out why the light bulbs had the life expectancy of low-level gangsters in a conflict zone. Kofi believed that the bulbs were running hotter than they should, and electromagnetic interference could be the cause. All bases have to be covered. A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. Kofi is about to get into the maintenance, waiting for the power to be cut. While the outlet tested fine on standard tests related to wiring and is in working condition, and upon inspection it makes an unusual noise intermittently. It sounds like fire cracking. These covers are not easy to remove. They hold steadfast like sailors in rough seas. There is a technique to them, probably squeezing the longer sides together. In either case, prying works. There is some hesitation on Kofi's part. Kofi will be losing the functionality of the USB ports, but these days it's USB-C and the USB ports are rarely used. Nevertheless, still causes some hesitation. Removing and rewiring the outlet dropped the interference to the high 90s. The current reading is not good enough as the guidelines state 50 and below are acceptable. The outlet has to go. The USB outlet will be replaced with a GFCI outlet, since the building code requires kitchen outlets to be GFCI enabled. The USB outlet has been replaced with a GFCI outlet. Short-lived suspense. What will the reading be? And we're taking readings. Oh no, it's the low 90s. Kofi's going to do it. He's absolutely going to do it. He's going to go to the upstream GFCI outlet. The GFCI outlet, which feeds the USB outlet, has been replaced and is testing in the mid-30s. Kofi looks like he's getting ready to wrap up, so a quick plea and an observation. Thanks for tuning in. Consider a subscription, and questions are welcome. The journey into electromagnetic interference is new and exciting. What are your thoughts on this? It could be a waste of time or headache relief. It's believed that Kofi would replace the outlet with a USB-C version. Here is an observation. The results vary with reading electromagnetic interference depending on the appliances running. A casual observation: the new GFCI seems to generate more interference and about 10 millivolts. The lowest reading from the circuit was low 22s, but since it changed, it's high 20s to low 30s. The higher interference was probably from the fridge, which runs so silent. Overall, EMI readings are in the acceptable range. That is all for today. Thank you to my lifetime subscribers, and prosperous and safe 2022 to all viewers. The problem of high levels of electromagnetic interference from the outlet is repaired, bringing the episode to a close. The day is won.